the supply chain in fashion is hugely complex, and the biggest issues are transparency, not really knowing exactly what's going on at each different part. The great opportunity for UK business is the fact that by coming back locally means that you have got more understanding of what's going on along the supply chain. And it's all about making relationships, forging a communal way of working. So rather than going to a supplier and giving a list and saying you have to do this, this and this, it's working with a supplier, finding out what their issues are and working with them. And it's something that the fashion industry isn't traditionally very good at talking to each other and not having secrets. So it's about finding a way of working with a factory that you see how they're working, you find out from the other people that are using that factory, and working together to make things better. Anybody can improve the situation. If for a small company or small business, or if you're setting out, it's much more difficult because obviously you haven't got the power over the factories that you're working with. So it's working with the other people that are using that factory. It's also, there is a huge amount of support out there, but at the moment it's not joined up, which is why I introduced the Centre for Sustainable Fashion. There needs to be a lot of joining up, and we've got the government now, DEFRA, are actually being very supportive. They're putting together a clothing roadmap to look at the issues all the way down the supply chain and to look at how the support can be more joined up. So I think that it's a big challenge for us all, but it's the growth and the change is suddenly really getting to a point where everything's becoming a lot easier for everybody.